Hello and welcome to How to Helen, where you learn something different every day. In this episode, we will be replacing the shifter knob for this 2010 Mazda 3. Now, I was able to buy my replacement knob from AliExpress. One gripe I have with AliExpress is sometimes their shipping is not the best, and your packages are susceptible to be getting damaged during shipping. And if you bought fragile items from them, it might be damaged. So always inspect what you buy from them when you received it. So here's our replacement shifter knob. You can also buy this from eBay or Amazon, but it's a little more pricier. On AliExpress, they always have the cheaper price, but it may take a day or two or a week for delivery time. And here is our shifter knob. This is more of a perforated leather versus on the OEM style. It is smooth and shiny. But this would do. So to remove your old shifter knob, just turn the whole shifter counterclockwise. So unscrewing it until you get all the way out of the shifter lever. Alright, so before I install it, here's a side-by-side comparison of the old shifter knob and the aftermarket AliExpress shifter knob. They are not exactly the same, but it is a decent replacement. Oops, sorry, I was out of focus. You can visually tell the difference. Alright, let's install our new aftermarket shifter knob. So slide it in, then now turn it clockwise to lock in place or to screw in. Alright, seems like a little lower, but it would do. Put the vehicle on and make sure it clears the ridges on the shifter pattern. Go through it up and down. Go through all the shifter positions to make sure that it clears through all the shifter patterns. And there you go. That is how to replace the shifter knob on this 2010 Mazda 3. This has been another episode of How to Helen. My name's R. Jeff, and thank you for watching.